It will never beat Kaizer Chiefs at all. Never. Yeah. No, like you will like a cover. You saw it. I think you want to cover it. You saw it. You saw it. You saw
As a Kaizer Chiefs big fan.
Yeah.
Berenya it's leave my glass.
Yeah.
Can you please leave my glass?
Yeah. The Pirates League, you know.
No. We did not give Pirates a league.
Yes.
There's no way.
Yeah.
Sanders was supposed to fight for their own
For themselves.
play.
Yes.
As much as us Kaizer Chiefs, we fought for our own play because I saw that. Shut up. I saw that Amazulu halftime is winning.
Yes.
And then as Kaizer Chiefs fan, should I go with Sundowns? No. Because I want my team to be top 3.
Yes.
So I am top 3. I am happy for the fact that we went on a draw.
Yes.
I'm happy.
You won a point.
I won a point.
Yes.
And it's a beautiful point.
Yes.
And even if, guys, you must check out like the whole game.
Yes.
Chiefs was good.
Not good.
Chiefs was
tight.
Third time.
Yeah.
Second time we came back and then we are not nice.
Yes.
And then we end up picking up.
Yes.
So you Chiefs.
Yes.
I'm not that So, Mamela Booty, with the draw, I am happy because we are supporting Sundowns.
Yes.
Okay, Shab. It's not their league.
Yes.
Then what about us?
Yeah.
We want to be on the third.
You must be respected.
Yes.
You are a big team.
Hallelujah.
This is Kaizer Chiefs. Not just any team. Yes. Your analysis is top notch. Yes.
I'm happy with the draw.
Yes.
Not a lose, not a win to any team,
Yes.
but a draw.
Yes.
It's good. You got one, they got one.
Yes.
It's okay. The Sundowns will fight for their own.
Yeah, it's every man for himself.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Don't forget.
Mahambe isebenzele bro.
Yes.
Mahambe wini league.
Yeah.
Sesibekile halfway.
Yes.
Sana ndaba.
I point of correction and never halfway.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
we are brothers and sisters.
Yes.
Sisters and brothers.
Yes.
Kunjalo. So, mina as a Kaizer Chiefs fan,
Yes.
I'm fully league ekhaya.
Yeah. My followers. Yeah.
And different because that was Russell.
Yeah.
Kanjalo phela. Siyafana anyway, even thina as Kaizer Chiefs fan,
Not a winner. That's right. Yeah.
we understand that.
Yes.
But then it's fine. I'm happy with the draw.
Yes.
So uye nomunye asilwele ke manje.
Ayikho enye indlela. Siyabonga sis. We talk football SA.